Stand!
This BSS, Biafran Security Services.
Look forward.
From Abia Command.
Look forward. Don't look sideways or backwards.
Start the introduction. Okay.
Sir, the BSS is ready for your inspection, sir.
Right.
Permission to carry on, sir.
Carry on. This is BSS, Biafran Security Services, men that have volunteered their life to fight and to defend the Biafra land. We have commands. This is Abia State and some parts of Delta, but we are still waiting. Look at them coming. People from River State, people from Biafra, people from Enugu, people from Onitsha, people from Imo State. They are coming here today for parade and presentation to our able leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the commander-in-chief of Biafran Armed Forces. So we are here today and we're expecting others to join us because of the traffic. So you will see what is made up of Biafran securities today. This is the first platoon from Abia State. Others are coming from Bend. Others are coming from Abia North. We are still expecting them to come in to join these great men and women that have decided to sacrifice their life to defend the land of Biafra. Like our leader we rightly said, we are here to restore Biafra. We have come in peace. But if the option given to us to restore Biafra is violent, without any shred of fear, the men and women are ready to take back the land, to liberate the land of Biafra from the hand of invaders and looters. Thank you, sir. Biafra! 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 Japan.
Hey, Biafra, what is talking?
Your boy. Hey, Biafra, what is talking? Hey, man, you're Tachama.
Hey, Biafra, what is talking?
Hey, Nabiko.
Na. Hey, Nabiko. Hey, Biafra, what is talking?
Hey, Nabiko.
Na. Hey, Nabiko. Hey, Biafra, what is talking?
Hey, Biafra, what is talking? Hey, man, you're Tachama.
Hey, Biafra, what is talking? Hey, Biafra, what is talking?
Hey, Nabiko.
Na. Hey, Nabiko. Hey, Biafra, what is talking? Na. Hey, Nabiko. Hey, Biafra, what is talking?
Commander, I need your voice.
Hold up! Hold up! Hold up! Hold up! Hold up! Why yo? Why yo? Why yo?
Why yo?
Why yo? Why yo? Why yo?
Why yo?
Why yo? Why yo? Why yo?
Why yo?
Why yo? Why yo?
Why yo?
Mama come see you.
Why yo?
Demand the suffer.
Why yo?
Mama come see you.
Why yo?
Demand the suffer.
Why yo?
come and see us.
Why yo yo?
With your men so far.
Why yo yo?
We dey press our head though.
Why yo yo?
We say na training us.
Why yo yo?
We dey from the foot.
Why yo yo?
We say na training us.
Why yo yo?
Why yo?
Why yo yo?
Why yo?
Why yo yo?
Why yo?
Why yo yo? Why yo yo?
Mama, come and see us.
Why yo yo?
With your men so far.
Why yo yo?
Mama, come and see us.
Why yo yo?
With your men so far.
Why yo yo?
We dey run from you though.
Why yo yo?
We say na training us.
Why yo yo?
We dey run from support.
Why yo yo?
We say na training us.
Why yo yo?
Why yo?
Why yo yo? Why yo yo? Sword! Sword! Right! At the next command, when I say hip hip, when you say hooray, you raise up your two hands in this form. Is that clear? Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Forward! Hip hip hip! Hooray! Down! Hip hip hip! Hooray! Down! Hip hip hip! Hooray! Down! Today, the BSS of Common Age.
At all time, slow march, left and right, slow march.
Welcome to First View Luxury Hotel. At First View Luxury Hotel, we offer excellent service. Our rooms have all the necessary facilities to make your stay comfortable and memorable. You will also have access to internet service, breakfast, 24-hour power supply, full air condition, free international calls, free tire pumping service, and free car battery charge. So what are you waiting for? Quickly visit First View Luxury Hotel. We are located at number 1 Adeline Obamishile off Raji Rasaki Road, First Estate, Amuwo, Odofin Festac, Lagos. For more information or reservation, please call us on 080-7578-7135 or 080-9990-0601. You can also take advantage of our online ongoing promo at www.firstviewhotel.com to make your reservation and payment for your favorite room, which attracts a discount rate. Please note, rooms are reserved based on first come, first serve. First View Luxury Hotel. Experience the home of comfort. They come.